Here's how to fix Instagram app not working. So if Instagram is repeatedly crashing on your device, here's how to fix it. First, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or internet connection. And if your Wi-Fi is not working, try switching between your mobile device and vice versa. You can also try switching your airplane mode on for a few seconds and turn it back off. Now find Instagram icon on your device and then long press on it. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to its app info. Scroll down, tap on storage, and then tap on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding this. Come back, try for stopping this application, and re-enable it again. After this setting, your Instagram should now be working correctly. If the problem continues, open the Play Store if you're using Android, and App Store if you're using iPhone. Search for Instagram application, and if you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Using an outdated version of Instagram is a common cause of crashes. So if you're still experiencing issues, try restarting your phone, and this will eliminate any background errors that might be causing the problem. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.